Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Matlock here, Finer Country Estate Agents Derbyshire. Hope you're well. Today I've got a fabulous property to show you here known as the Orchard. We are in Sydenham Hill, high above Matlock. We've got amazing views, got an amazing plot, a much extended, much improved property by the current owners. The plot here is absolutely to die for. The views are absolutely magnificent, and today we're going to take a look around. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sure you'll agree, an absolutely stunning property, really great build quality, you've got an excellent plot, detached garage, you've got an office above the garage, a fantastic summer house. However, the star attraction here is the views. I mean, look at this, waking up to this every morning. You've got the fabulous views over the valley, over the hillside. So if you'd like to wake up to this view every morning, give me a call or drop me an email on the details you're about to see on your screen, and hopefully I'll see you soon.